Okay, folks, we gotta get a video of this. This is my good neighbor. He's trying to keep everybody dug out, but it's an impossible job. You can see he's been up and down this road. I'll try to hold this steady where you can see, but some of these drifts are just unbelievable. He's done a pretty good job on this main road. I better put my lockers on. But you can see how deep the snow is in some of these places. Whoa, I'm bogging. Check that out. Whoa, you can't even see where the road is. And I'm in, I guess, over 1.5 feet, maybe 18 inches or 2 foot of snow right back there. And then it's just clear. It's all drifted up. Check this out. Whoa. That was deep. They're getting theirs all cleaned up. These houses are just buried in here. You can't get to the front. No, this is an old couple. I should come dig them out. I know that's an old family there. And then look at this, where the wind is like howling down the street just right. There's no snow on the street. How cool is that? Sorry guys, I'm snorting. I have just sinuses from all this craziness. They've tried to dig out some. Well, let's go look at up here and see if we can find something that's still buried. Oh yeah, look at the road up here. Look at this guy's house. One of those big dumpsters. Look at this road. Someone has, I'll see if I can make it through here. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, I just made it through that, guys. That's one good thing about powdered snow. It's not like wet snow. I mean, that was up on, way up on my door panels on both sides. So that's pretty awesome. That street's completely blocked off. I do have 4-wheel drive with a posi lock. I have on, so it will go pretty good. I've taken this thing off-roading pretty significant stuff. Here the road's drifted across. Look at their house, you can't get in or out of it. This one either. Their windows are under snow. Check that out. Oh man, they are just covered up. There's another road here drifted. Let's go through it. Let's pound it. Oh, son. Oh, from one drifted to another, my window was covered. I couldn't even see the next drift. Wow. That drift was like over 20 feet across, and while you seen it was over the hood of my truck. Here's another good drift here. This one's been opened up some. We'll go ahead and go through it. Whoa! That is too fun, guys. Wow. Look at this road. Oh, yeah, that drift is... No, there's a Jeep stuck. Ah, yeah, Ford power, baby. Let's go back and look at that Jeep that's stuck. Maybe we go pull him out. Oh, man, you can't hardly turn. Check these out. Wow. I'm going up through here. Look at how deep this road's drifted. Oh, my gracious. I found a skinny spot and made it through. That's what happens when you have 70-mile-an-hour winds and a snowstorm, guys. Unbelievable. Oh, wow. You can't go up the road this way. I'll show you how it's closed off. Look at that drift. That's taller than my truck. Whoa. And down there, look, it's drifted down there, not quite as bad, but wider. To give you an idea, that's probably an 8-foot fence right there. Yeah, we turn this baby around right here. Wow. Yeah, we ain't trying that, because I'd be stuck until somebody dug me out. Well, this posi track don't like to turn. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be forever before they get these roads opened up. Let's go back down through here. I'll show you these drifts. Hopefully you can, I hope you understand how deep these drifts are. So like, you could see it's taller than that truck if you're at the proper angle. Like from here, I'm on the shallow side, but you see where I drove through here? Check that out. It's literally sliding on the door of my truck. That's how deep it was. Look at these people's house. Oh my gracious. This is fun, guys. I love doing this stuff. Let's see if this Jeep needs pulled out. Looks like they do. I'll pull up and see. Catch you later.